Every day, billions of dollars are traveling around the world, circulating cross countries by different people. Let's meet with Amy. From Morocco, she moves to San Francisco and has been working here as an ERP expert. Every month, she needs to send her salary back to her family in Morocco for supporting their daily life. Adam is from California and is now working in Morocco as a lecturer at a university. He has a house mortgage in his California hometown, and every month he has to transfer money back to his brother to pay for his mortgage. This is Adam's brother, Sam. Sam helps Adam pay his mortgage fee to the local bank. This is Amy's mother, Aicha, living in Morocco. Aicha loves and misses her daughter so much. Now let's solve the problem. If Amy passes the money to Adam's brother, Sam, in hand, and Adam passes money to Amy's mother, Aicha, no one needs to send money abroad and pay commission to the banks, third-party remittances, or exchange agencies with unfair service fees. Winngie matches people around the world in cross countries to swap the money with each other, with real people, without commission fees, without unfair currency rates. Full amount goes, equal amount comes back. You may pass the money in cash by hand or with the domestic bank online transfer. Local transfer costs less than $1 compared to typical overseas money transfer service fees. No more waiting for days to transfer money cross countries. No need to wait for service hours or work days to transfer. Winngie, saving small for more, 24/7, 365.